A RF coaxial connector, the first but lowest quality video signal popular in the 1970s, 1980s video game consoles. It carries both video and audio as a single low image quality signal. RCA composite yellow, white and red cables. The cables to transmit standard resolution video signals, the first dedicated video inputs through external devices connected to televisions like VHS players, DVD players, camcorders, video game consoles. It is the minimum standard for many long time. As video, it's a video cable with two conductors, one for brightness and one for pixel color information. It provided sharper image and better quality in comparison to RCA composite. It was popular on DVD players and some video game consoles in the mid-90s. Component cables green, red and blue. Still an analog signal, but with higher quality than component. It could also carry HD output 720p and was used in the PS3 and Xbox 360. It almost eliminated every noise and interference in video signal. I personally used it on the Xbox 360 and noticed a clear improvement in picture quality and resolution. RGB SCART, available only in Europe and Japan. The highest quality analog video signal ever, loved by retro gamers. RGB carried every color signal separated and was higher quality than component. VGA, first introduced on computer monitors, it was pioneered by the IBM PS2. It only carried video at 640 by 480 resolution, but the latest updated version maximum 1920 by 1080 resolution. It became the default monitor video signal for over 20 years, and it was also available on mid-2000, early 2010s television. It carried no audio, so it required a separate cable for your speakers. DVI, Digital Visual Interface. In 1999, it replaced VGA. It was widely adopted for PC graphics cards in the mid-2000s, while VGA converted a digital signal into analog for transmission and then back again into digital once reached the switch. DVI carried the signal digitally end-to-end, enabling sharper and more stable images with even higher resolution. They made 5 variants: DVI-I single link, DVI-I dual link, DVI-D single link, DVI-D dual link, and DVI-A. DVI-A only carries audio, DVI-D only carries video, DVI-I carries both. The dual link version of DVI-D supported high resolution and refresh rates like on the 32-inch 2560 by 600 Apple Cinema display. At the time, it was the most high advanced video signal connector. A passive adapter can interface between DVI-I or DVI-A and VGA connectors, but doesn't work on DVI-D. DisplayPort, a digital interface used to connect a video source such as a computer to a display device like a monitor. Developed by the Video Electronics Standard Association (VESA), it can also carry digital audio, USB and other types of data over a single cable. Introduced in 2008, it was designed to replace older standards like DVI. As an alternative to HDMI without requiring the HDMI license. It is widely used on discrete graphics cards and gaming monitors. It is in an eternal battle against HDMI. HDMI, the revolutionary cable introduced in the mid-2000s that carries both audio and video. It is very popular both on televisions and monitors. Nowadays, it is the default standard for many devices. It carried 1080p resolution and even 4K and 8K in the newest updated versions. It carries both audio and video.